Hello mga kaguro, ayan no, so another day, another hacks. Ayan, so for today's video tutorial, I will share to you the quickest and easiest way kung paano gumawa ng multiple choice exam. Ayan, so kung gusto niyong matuto, keep on watching and tapusin ang video. Let's go! And by the way, kung bago pa kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-like, comment, and share. And syempre, mag-subscribe na rin kayo para maging updated kayo sa mga next video tutorial na aking gagawin. Okay, so let's go! The first na gagawin is punta kayo sa Google, go to the Google, and then i-type ang question well. Ayan. Click mo yan. No. Okay, the first link na lalabas, click mo yan. Mukha ng webpage na gagawa sa atin ng multiple choice type of exam. Okay, so kapag nandito na kayo sa webpage, first na gagawin is i-click ang try it out. Ayan, so magre-redirect siya sa another webpage. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so first, so ilalagay mo yung kung ano yung topic na gagawan mo ng exam or quiz or multiple choice exam. Okay, so halimbawa, I am teaching in senior high school, so ang gagamitin ko for this video tutorial is my subject in first semester, which is the empowering technology and specifically the trends in ICT. And by the way, before po kayo mag-generate ng any multiple choice exam, dapat nakaprepare na po kayo ng topics or subject matter na gagawaan ninyo ng multiple choice exam. Okay, so in this video tutorial, kagaya sinabi ko nina, gagamitin ko is the subject or the lesson na natapos ko na in the empowering technology class na topic ng grade 11. Okay, so nilagay ko na dyan yung subject and then para sa grade 11. And then, pwede kang mag-upload ng file using this one or pwede mo lang i-copy-paste yung file, the MS Word file, and then ipi-paste mo lang dito sa webpage. Okay, so sige, try muna natin. So, ayan. Okay, so copy-paste lang, copy muna tayo. Okay, so inanda ko na ito for this video tutorial. And then after that, after mo makopy, babalik ka sa webpage. And then this time, ipipaste mo na yung topics na kinopy mo kanina. And then baba tayo konti. Ipababa mo yung scroll down mo yung cursor. And then dito sa baba, meron siyang free access, which is the multiple choice. And kung gusto mo ng fill in the blank type of exam or gusto mo rin naman ng short answer, pwede mong i-upgrade ang AI tool. Okay, but kung gusto mo lang ng multiple choice type of exam, then this AI tool is for you. Okay, so halimbawa nalagay mo na yung title of the topic and the content of the topic, and then this time i-generate na natin ang multiple choice exam, of course na galing dyan sa subject matter. Okay, so ang i-click mo lang ay click generate set. Ayan, so we will wait a few seconds or minutes habang gumagawa siya ng multiple choice type of exam. After a minute, hindi ata umabot ng 2 minutes, nandito na po yung result ng multiple choice exam. And as you can see, kung ano po yung naka-highlight na letters, that is the correct answer. Nagmamadali kayo, wala na kayong masyadong oras, this tool is best for you. Ayan, so tingnan natin kung ilang items ba ang ginawa niya na multiple choice exam para sa atin. Ayan, no? Ayan, sige, baba pa natin. So overall, Ayan, marami. Overall, nakagawa siya ng 20 multiple choice exam. So, yan po. That's how fast or ganyan po kabilis gumawa ng multiple choice type of exam using this AI tool. Yan po. So, that's in our video tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, if you find this video beneficial, paki-like po and comment anything that related to the tutorial. And that's it. Okay, so if you find this video tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat.